So I have a new shower head from G Promise. I'm going to show you how to install it. I'll show you everything that's in the box as well. So this one does come in a pretty large box. We have our large rain shower head. Pretty long hose. Installation guide. Our smaller shower head. A third shower head. And our neat little mounting system. Now this also comes with a crochet hook where you can yank the water restrictors out as well. So you can take the water restrictors out. I actually found tweezers to be easier. And then we'll just put our washers back in with the screens. Now, I do apologize for the angles. I don't have the best shower or bathroom setup for this. So, oops. Alright, let's take off our old one first. Alright, we're going to put some plumber's tape on. Make sure that you go in the direction that... Make sure you go clockwise. Then we're going to take this piece and we want this elbow, or whatever you want to call this, to come down, and this part's going to be hooked up here. This has one of those little screws, tension screws, so you'll be able to screw this on and then put the tension screw in to keep it in place. Okay, and then right there you'll see where we can put our little tension screw in. Just careful not to lose it. It is small, but it will stay in place for the most part even without it. And then I'm going to put some tape around all of these connections. Alright, we got our small head right here. Our rain shower head. And you can adjust this. So you make this go up higher and closer, and then you can adjust this one to also go different angles. Then we're going to hook up our hose. I'm going to put some plumber's tape on this one as well, and then we're going to connect that. The plumber's tape is going to keep you from having leaks in these spots. Alright, I'm going to step out of here and we're going to give this a try. Alright, so right now we're on the rain shower head. We got this little nozzle here. So if we turn that, now we have just the removable one. And then we turn it again, we have that one. So I'm assuming you can't have all three at once. You can kind of have both of those. And then you can kind of share in between those two. So it looks like you can't have all three at once. So that is a bummer, but this is still pretty nice. So if you want to have your rain, and these are pretty thick raindrops. Alright, so if you want to do just the traditional shower head, and you can turn it off. I think I'm going to go with that one. And then we have our removable one here. This one might be a little easier to demonstrate. So let's go ahead and get this one turned on. And then this one has several different modes. You also have a button on this one. And you can turn it on and off with that. And then for all our modes, not as many modes on this one. That would probably be the one I use. Now this one also does have the jet sprayer, so you can hit that Now this one doesn't have a super jet like some, but it will be enough for doing some rinsing and some cleaning. And then a quick look from this angle. So I really do like the shower head. I like that you got the 3 different options that you can use, and you can kind of finagle it to use 2 at once. I am a little bummed that you can't do all 3. I don't know if I'd have enough water pressure to handle all 3 anyway, but I would still like to try. I do love that you can adjust these in every different angle. You can adjust them up and down. Everything's adjustable, so I definitely like that. So you got your traditional, you got your rain, and then you got your removable. So it's pretty nice. Anyway, easy installation. Hopefully this gives you an idea what to expect with this one, if it's one that you want to get for your shower. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.